place in the whole world. We live in a big, pretty house. My mummy, daddy, and I. I have a lot of friends in Marvel Land. We all go to school and we play together too. Hi. Oh yes, my name is Saisha and this is my home. I have a lot of fun with my friends in Marvel Land. Would you like to be my friend? We shall have a lot of fun together. Come on and join us.
So great is the world in which we live. It has so much to give, so much to give. There is so much to know while we grow. Lots of things to learn and places to go. So great is the world in which we live. It has so much to give, so much to give. So great is the world in which we live. It has so much to give, so much to give. Fun and learn, 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 fun and learn.
And then our teacher opened the cages and released all the white doves, and they all flew away.
What does a dove look like? I have never seen one.
You have seen a dove. There's one sitting right outside your window every day.
No, Pete, you are wrong. That is not a dove, that is a crow. The crow is black in color.
Why didn't you show me the bird when I was at your home, Shaisha? I want to see all the birds.
Yes, even I want to see all the birds.
Hey Sandy, I know I'm right. Yes, even I want to see the birds. And then show everyone that you are the one who is stupid.
Don't call me stupid.
I will.
Please don't fight. I hate it when you fight. I have an idea.
Bobby, keep quiet. Your ideas are never good.
Listen to me. Why don't we call Vayu Uncle and Maya?
Very good idea, Bobby.
Yes, let's call them.
Oh, Vayu Uncle. Oh, Maya. Please come. We all need your help.
Hello friends, how are you today?
Hello, Vayu. And hello, my little angels.
Hello, Vayu. Hello, Maya.
Yes friends, tell me what can I do for you?
We want you to show us all the birds. So then I can prove I'm smart and Sandy's stupid.
No, I'm not stupid. You are.
Hey, kids, stop this.
Yes, please stop this. Why are you calling him stupid, Pete?
He says the bird outside Saisha's window is a crow. I know it is a dove.
No, it is a crow, and I know it.
Stop.
Alright, my dear friends, that is enough. Maya, I think we have to sort out this matter quickly. What do you say?
Yes, I think so too. I have an idea. Why not go on a bird watching trip? What do you say, my dearest angel Molly?
Oh, wow. Bird watching trip. Wow, Vayu. Will we see all the birds?
Birds eat fruits. So will I get to eat fruits too?
Oh, no, Cobby. Don't you ever think about anything other than food?
But
Alright, I think we should start now.
Yes, let's start, or else we shall be late getting back. So, is everyone ready?
Yes, Maya.
Yes,
Vayu. We are ready.
Alright then, let's hop on and begin our journey to meet our feathered friends.
my big man. You come with me.
So great is the world in which we live. It has so much to give, so much to give. So great is the world in which we live. It has so much to give, so much to give. There is so much to know while we grow. Lots of things to learn and places to go. There is so much to know while we grow.
All right, kids. All of you spread out in pairs and hold each other's hands. And when you see a bird, don't shout. Come back and tell us.
Remember, kids, birds are very cautious creatures. If you make too much noise, you shall scare them away.
Yes, let's go.
The world is like a marvel. Let fun and learn go hand in hand.
Pete, come, let's find a dove and then I shall show you.
Yes, let's go.
To give, so much to give. So great is the world in which we live. It has so
Saisha, you stay with me and Budo.
much to give. There is so much to know while we grow.
Molly, let's go in this direction.
Learn and places to go. There is so much to know while we grow. Lots of things to learn and places to go. So great is the world in which we live.
Look up there, Gobby.
Where?
There, on top of that tree. Come, let's go and get everybody.
Fun and learn, 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 fun and learn.
Very good, Bobby. That is a parrot. It loves to have guavas and other fruits.
Yes, and it can even imitate your voice. Listen. Hello, Bobby.
Hello, Bobby.
Wow, wow. See, Bobby, I told you. The bird outside Saisha's window is not a parrot. This is a parrot.
Who are you, green bird?
My body is green and my beak is red. I like chilies and guava to be fed. Look at me, I am not like you. But I can talk just like you.
I am a parrot, a parrot, a parrot.
Shh. Listen.
Wow, what a sweet voice. Hey, I know what it is. It is a clock.
Clock?
Yes, I've seen a clock in my school which make these sounds. Someone must have left a clock here.
No, dear Pete, it's not a clock.
Maya, why don't we show them?
Yes, let's all go. But be quiet now.
Fun and learn, fun and learn.
Look up there. See that bird? That is a cuckoo.
But how did the clock make the same sound?
Those clocks are called cuckoo clocks, my dear.
Yes, but this is a live cuckoo and it sounds even better. Watch. Cuckoo!
Coo, coo,
You sound so sweet. Who are you? I am called a cuckoo. I sing songs which are sweet. You'll find me in your wall clocks ready to tweet.
Hey, quiet everyone. Listen.
What? Is someone knocking at the door?
Whose door? Who's knocking? I am feeling scared.
Don't be scared, Molly.
Yes, no need to be afraid, Molly. I think you're about to meet another feathered friend of ours. Come.
That bird has such a long beak.
Yes, Sandy, and a strong one too.
But why is it banging on the wood?
It is not banging, it is pecking a hole into the trunk of the tree.
But why?
It is looking for insects and also building a home for itself.
Yes, dear, it's a woodpecker, and it is such a good-looking bird, isn't it?
Yes, wow!
Hey, why are you making a hole in the tree?
I drill into the tree when I need a feed. I have a long tongue, insects are what I eat. Do you know me? Do you know me? I am a woodpecker. Ha 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 ha!
Yay! Chitter chatter, flutter, flutter, cuckoo, cuckoo. Come close to us, we want to talk to you.
Hey, kids, come with us.
Hey kids, come with us.
Wow, look at that bird.
Wow,
what is it?
What is it? What is it?
It's a peacock, children.
Peacock.
Yes, children, a peacock. It has such a long and colorful tail.
Look how he's dancing in the rain.
Wow.
Yes, children, peacocks dance with joy when it rains.
He's so beautiful and he dances so well.
Yeah, he's so proud too.
You look so beautiful. What's your name?
My name is Peacock and I am a male. I have a long, long, colorful tail. I dance in the rain as much as I can, spreading my tail like a glittering fan. My name is Peacock and I am a male.
Thank you, birds, now we know you. Chitter chatter, flutter, flutter, cuckoo, cuckoo. Thank you, birds, now we know you. Chitter chatter, flutter, flutter, cuckoo, cuckoo. Thank you, birds, now we know you.
Hey, look. Wow, look at him. He is so small.
Yes, dear, that's a sparrow. See, it must have hurt itself. See that up there? That is its nest.
But that is just grass and twigs.
Yes, dear, sparrows make their nest with grass and twigs. They are always chattering.
But why is it not chattering them? It must be hurting him a lot.
Don't worry, Molly. I shall make it all right. Abracadabra!
Wow! Thank you, Maya. See, even the sparrow is saying thank you. You look so small, so sweet. Who are you?
I am very small. I feed on seeds. My nest is made of grass and twigs, brown in color with wings that flutter. I am a sparrow. I always chatter. Chitter chatter, flutter, flutter.
Okay, kids, come on now. It has stopped raining. Let's go and see some birds, and then we have to get back to.
Yes, let's go. Hey, wait a minute. There, Pete. Now I shall show you who was stupid. There. See that? What is that bird?
Yes, that is the dove.
No, that is a crow.
Yes, Pete, Sandy's right. That is a crow. The crow makes that distinctive crowing sound. There, can you hear it?
Yes, I can hear it.
I feed on garbage people throw. I am a dark black bird. I am the crow.
No problem, Pete. You are a very smart boy. Everyone makes a mistake once in a while. It's all right.
Yes, let's move on. Before we move on, all of you have heard one bird every morning, I'm sure.
A bird in the morning? I have never heard one.
How will you hear anything? You're always sleeping late.
I have heard.
Yes, Saisha? Tell me, what have you heard?
I have heard a cock.
Very good, Saisha. Come.
Chitter chatter, flutter, flutter, coo, coo, coo. Thank you.
Here, that is a cock. It wakes you up every morning with its cock-a-doodle-doo.
I'm called the cock. You know what I do? I wake you every morning with my cock-a-doodle-doo.
So do all the birds sleep in the night and wake up in the morning?
Very good question, Molly. In fact, there's a bird which sleeps in the day and stays awake in the night. Come with me and I'll show you.
Chitter chatter, flutter, flutter, coo, coo, coo. Come close to us. We want to talk to you. Yay! Chitter chatter, flutter, flutter, coo, coo, coo. Thank you, birds. Now we know you. Chitter chatter, flutter, flutter, coo, coo, coo. Thank you, birds. Now we know.
I am scared.
Don't you worry, Molly. Nothing will harm you.
Look at that. That is an owl.
Wow!
Relax, kids. Don't worry. It has very large eyes and can turn his head all the way round. He looks scary, but you don't have to worry.
I sleep all day, keep awake at night. Don't do the same, that's not right. I have a flat beak and big round eyes. I close them tight when it's sunrise. I am an owl.
Okay, kids, let's go back home now. It's getting very late.
All right, let's go.
Chitter chatter, flutter, flutter, coo, coo, coo. Come close to us. We want to talk to you. Yay! Chitter chatter, flutter, flutter, coo, coo, coo.
Yes, let's take a closer look.
We know you. Chitter chatter, flutter, flutter, coo, coo, coo. Thank you, birds. Now we know you. Chitter chatter, flutter, flutter, coo, coo, coo. Thank you, birds. Now.
These are pigeons, children. They are very gentle birds and love to eat grain.
And did you know that pigeons were used to send mails from one place to another?
Wow! But how do they know where to fly?
They were trained. Pigeons remember the way to a place and never forget.
Pigeon is my name, I am easy to tame. I become a friend of yours if you feed me grain. I never lose my way, I never fail. The kings used me to send their mail.
Hey, pigeon. Chitter chatter, flutter, flutter, coo, coo, coo.
Come on now, let's go, or else it shall be dark soon. I hope all of you enjoyed yourselves today.
Oh, yes.
Chitter chatter, flutter, flutter, coo, coo, coo. Come close to us. We want to talk to you. Yay! Chitter chatter, flutter, flutter, coo, coo, coo. Thank you, birds. Now we know you. Chitter chatter, flutter, flutter, coo, coo, coo. Thank you, birds. Now we know you. Chitter chatter, flutter, flutter, coo, coo.
Remember, children, the birds are gentle creatures and our friends. So never harm them and their homes.
Yes, Maya. Yes, Vayu.
Thank you, Maya.
We'll never forget our feathered friends.
It's always our pleasure, children.
It's always our pleasure, children.
So great is the world in which we live. It has so much to give, so much to give. So great is the world in which we live. It has so much to give, so much to give. There is so much to know while we grow. Lots of things to learn and places to go. So great is the world in which we live. It has so much to give, so much to give. So great is the world in which we live. It has so much to give, so much to give. Learn about the universe, learn about space, learn about the world in many different ways. Learn about the universe, learn about space, learn about the world in many different ways. The beauty of nature, creations of man. Learn with fun as much as you can. The beauty of nature, creations of man. Learn with fun as much as you can. The world